from around the wicket, Hafiz.
Because Gambhir has been informed, got 100 in the first game. Kohli off the mark and India off the mark. That could be a bit of a problem for him. Kohli will keep the strike after this singles, 3 for 1. Well, they would have noticed that he likes to play the pull shot, cannot resist the challenge.
It's a little wide, in fact given as a wide. It's a good delivery, nicely played. Doesn't get past Hafiz at point. Oh, hit him hard on the far. Good pace from Mohammad Gul. Oh, that's gone through. I think he's dropped a chance here, Umar Akmal. I'm not too sure. No, given as a bye. That upish, that's gone, and they'll go all the way for 4. Izaz Shima couldn't get around that one. 7 from the over, 10 for 1. Oh, that's brilliantly played. Beautifully done. Great shot. Virat Kohli judged the length early, put it away in front of mid-wicket. It's a wrong line to Virat Kohli. He's so good off the pads.
After the start they got.
Oh, that's gone past Umar Akmal. That's gone for 4 byes. Afridi gets to the ball, shies at the stumps.
It's going to be even more difficult for him.
Beautifully timed. That ball goes across like lightning. Lovely shot to end the over. 30 for 1 after 4. They got all the qualities in.
Gaining some momentum now with these two out of the centre. Early call from Virat Kohli. Hasn't timed it too well, Virat Kohli. Should get a couple. Appeal of nothing from the umpire. 42 for 1.
In that manner.
Timed well. We cut off from the deep. 2 for Virat Kohli. It's 45 for 1. What do they find? Virat Kohli was looking for 2. Again hitting the toe end of the bat. A single bring up the 50 for India and also 50 partnership. Conventional seam up. Sometimes you can pick it up. It might have been the Dusra. It'd be much better for the batsman to play straight. Virat Kohli getting a single there.
They'll get a single. In fact, they'll be looking for a couple here. 2 was the call, and they'll come back for 2. The end of the over, 63 for 1.
It's 4 from the over. It's 67 for 1 after 12. That's a better option. 2 is the call. That's beautifully struck. Izaz Shima is not as athletic some of the other fielders. That's gone all the way. Afridi is being hurt here. 10 from the over so far. Shot fine has been taken away, put at straightish mid-wicket. This time it's flighted, and this time is driven. Chase for Hamad Azam. Dives, does well. 12 from the over. It's a good one for India, 79 for 1.
Picking up boundaries on regular intervals. Well bowled. Partnership now 81 of 79 deliveries.
Greeted by a pull shot. Good piece of timing from Virat Kohli. Not a great ball from Wahab Riaz. Another strong flick over towards the leg side. It's well controlled by Azaz Chima.
We are the largest bank across the network of South Asia. We have very big presence in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh.
So how do you feel about this India-Pakistan encounter?
I think it's a nail-biting game. It's going to be a very good finish with the thrill, I suspect.
And my word, both these batsmen, Sachin Tendulkar and Virat Kohli, has looked very good indeed.
Kohli drives. He's a little frustrated because he got it right, read the line well. Goes back, cuts and cuts well. Short and wide was Saeed Ajmal. Once again a boundary of the last ball. And it's 50 for Virat Kohli. From just 52 balls, a magnificent strike rate, a magnificent innings. He's carrying on with his good form. And it's 104 for 1. Shot and one leg up in the ring. Not good thinking from Wahab Riaz. He'd be disappointed. This time it's a drive to the offside. Mishandled, misfielded by Yunus Khan at cover. Now it's a little wide. It's a beautifully played shot for a single. Just making use of the pace. Goes back, can be risky. Once again goes back. This is good bowling.
Make it 5.
Picks up a run off the last ball, but what a good over from Saeed Ajmal. It's 114 for 1.
Thank you, Ramiz. Wahab Riaz continues to bowl at the pads of the Indians and the big subcontinent players, and that is Umar Akmal. He was trying to be over smart. That's all one can say, and he's conceded 4 overthrows. Oh, he's got away with it.
Well, it's a no ball.
And that's gone for a boundary. He attempted Yorker going in the full toss, and Virat Kohli quickly capitalizing on that. So 11 runs from the over and 3 deliveries still left to come.
Well, I think the last 130 runs won't be too difficult.
I think that will also go for a boundary. Yes, it does. Very good effort that from Chima. But to no avail. 17 coming off this over. 131 for 1.
Yes, Sachin Tendulkar at Kohli.
Should be a couple. Rohit Sharma is also pretty quick between the wickets. The previous over as well as this over. A single's not going to hurt Pakistan. The statistics are quite telling.
Ajmal has been mixing it up quite well.
Trying to work the ball away to the onside. That is a lovely shot that will go for a boundary. Yes, it does. That is a beautiful shot. He placed it well. It was a wide-ish half volley, but he hit it well. Opening the face of the bat. That's also smartly done, and that also will be a boundary. So 8 runs coming off the last 2 deliveries. Another good over for India. 146 for 2. Come for the second, and that was just perhaps a little over-eager shot from Virat Kohli, reaching out for that delivery.
Again, another punch off the back foot. The Indian 150 is up in good time.
And Kohli picking up another run, started in 2008.
He's been batting with so much of freedom, so much of authority.
It's a lot of runs, 173.
Sunny Kohli, just 23 years, and for somebody as young as 23, don't you think he's matured quite a bit?
That is certainly paying him dividends. Oh, the quicker delivery on the pads. That's going to be tough for the fielder there. Takes 2 runs. 161 for 2.
Loves batting here. Three hundreds and 450s.
Very efficient, silent as well. No noise from the Deccan. 170 for 2. To 98 with that single, Virat Kohli. He'll get a single and get to 99. Well fielded in the end. It's firmly struck. That's his 100. He's making a habit of this. Once he gets off to a start, he converts those into hundreds. And this one, as always, he will remember for a long, long time. He's played exceptionally well in this innings. The pressure was on India. And Virat Kohli has delivered, but he needs to bat till the end.
Yes, he needs to make it a big one. Fantastic effort from the vice captain of the Indian team, Virat Kohli. It's a mighty 100. Virat also meaning mighty. He's enjoying it.